Hey guys, welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I'm Stacy and I'm back with Miss Aria. Today we're going to be doing a really cute ribbon wrapped ponytail for you guys. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and click subscribe down below. That would really help support our channel and we would really appreciate it. Now without any further ado, let's jump right on into this tutorial. Okay, so to start this style, I've just placed her hair in a high ponytail, and I'm going to wrap the ribbon around the elastic. I've measured the ribbon. I measured the ribbon to a little more than twice the length of her hair to make sure I have enough. Now I'm going to wrap it around the hair tie. Once I get it wrapped around a couple times, I'm just going to tie it. Okay, so I've just tied it in a half knot. And now I'm going to split the hair into 3 sections, just feeling to make sure I get them even in thickness. Okay, once you have your hair sectioned off into the 3 sections, you're going to take your ribbon. Well, you're going to add this short piece into the back of one strand just so it can't be seen. And then you're going to take your long string of ribbon and you're just going to go over the outside section, under the middle section, and then back over the other outside section. Now you're going to take it under. So you're just wrapping the sections with the ribbon. That's all you're doing. Then you're going to go over the middle section and then under the outside section. So you're just going to go over, under, over, and then under, over, under. And you're just going to repeat this pattern all the way down the hair. Okay, when you reach the end of your ribbon or near the end of your ribbon or wherever you want to stop weaving the ribbon around, you can just secure it with a small elastic and cut the end of the ribbon. Careful not to cut the hair. And that's the finished style. Turn around so they can see the back of it with the pretty ribbon through it. Really cute and fun. It is a little time consuming, so if you're running late for school, this might not be the best style, but it is really cute. So we really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up, show us some love, and click subscribe down below. And just a reminder to go check out our beauty channel, ASK Beauty and More. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. I just filmed a best drugstore makeup top 10 products under $10 video, so that was really fun to film. And if you're interested, I will link that video down below as well. And while you're there, leave a comment. Let us know you came from Sugar and Spice Hairstyles and subscribe to that channel as well. We would love to have you all as part of our YouTube family. And that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.